Good morning and thank you for stopping by. This is my backyard bucket of chicken. This morning, after feeding everyone and letting our 4 big boys out, I let our roosters out to free range. The hens we don't let out unless there's somebody back here to keep an eye on them. We've been having a hawk problem lately. But these 4 big boys seem to be doing okay. They always hang together and they've been keeping the hawks at bay. I left some grain in the bucket and Big Boy helped himself to an early lunch. Here's Big Red deciding whether he's going to jump in or not. And here we have our cat Crumb playing with one of the 4 roosters. And back to their little coop they go. They still have a little feed left over here. Now off to the hens. Well, until next time, everyone, enjoy and be safe.